Today is Saturday, February 23rd, 2019. Here comes the sun. Still feeling a bit sick today, as you probably could tell by my voice. And all I've been doing so far is watching Weird Paul videos.
But in the 80s, they were still made out of metal.
First, we have caps from various Coke products.
I don't like being sick, guys. Yeah, I don't like being sick. So around the time I won this on eBay, I found another camcorder that was $17. Sitting at $17, and it had like 4 or 5 days left. So I went ahead and put $1 more bid on it. But then I decided I really didn't want it, and I didn't think I was going to win it. But I did. So here it is. It's another Sony Handycam, but this time it's a TR-87. So hopefully I have better luck with it. Although I did read that it doesn't come with a charger or something. So hopefully I can find one and this actually works. Well, let's see what's in the bag. And see if I can actually do this with one hand. But here you go. There it is. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. But that's it. TR-87 Sony Handycam Vision. So hopefully I can find a cord for this so I can try it out. But until then, I can't really do anything with it. But there it is. The TR-87 Sony Handycam. So good news. I found someone on Amazon selling cords that will work for this, hopefully. That's what it looks like. So I went ahead and ordered it. So maybe I'll be able to try out this camera sooner than I thought. So be looking for that. Check this out. The winds that we had earlier must have took out some of this tree. It definitely wasn't like that a little bit ago. Naturally, I come down and look at the beach, and I find a bunch of sea glass. The little tiny ones, but that's okay, because I can use that too. Found a really nice looking blue piece. Five. Yep, definitely feels much colder than 56. So here's most of the sea glass I found. As I said, most of it was really small, and since I have a cold, I didn't really feel like trying that hard or sticking around that long. I mostly just watched the sunset. But I did find these two kind of rare blue pieces here. And then there's some blue tinted pieces I found too. Some pretty cool rare finds, you know. I'm currently watching the year 2000 version of Flowers for Algernon. I think I read the book before, but that was a long time ago. I also remember watching a 1960s version of the book too. Guess what I'm watching? Oh yeah, it's the Ninja Turtles.